My name is Eric, and I am going to compare Google and Apple calendars. Google Calendar is easy to use. You can share it with multiple people. I like how it has different ways to view in days, weeks, month, or year. You don't have to have the internet to access your calendar, which is really nice. And there's an app for your phone. It's all user friendly. You can have multiple calendars and they'll define it by color. Keeps you organized for your different parts of your life. For Apple Calendar, it has a lot of the same features. This is what I use for work. Same thing where it has multiple ways to view your calendar. It's really easy to add events. You can even reschedule an event by just dragging the event over. Let's say it's on a Tuesday originally and it gets changed to a Friday. You don't have to create a new event or reminder. You just slide it over and it keeps the same information for you, which is really nice. And it's also user friendly. These are the two ISTE standards that I chose for this module. Go ahead and start by reviewing Google Calendar. To add a calendar, it's really easy. Just go over here, hit the add, new calendar. You can name it whatever you want. Maybe it's your reading team, or if you coach a sport, soccer. Pretty simple. And just create calendar. Doesn't take very long. And it has been created. If you want to add an event, you just go over to the plus sign. You can add a title. Maybe you have a team meeting. You have the time over here. You can add the location, get a notification 10 minutes before. You can also change that. Right now it's under my calendar, but I could change it to if it's a math team meeting or a soccer, and the color will change, which helps you stay organized and keeps different schedules at the same time. So right here I have a fitness program starting with my basketball club and a math meeting, but they're different colors, so I know which is which. Really easy to use. Maybe I wanted to edit that. Just click on that. You can go back in and you could change the time. Maybe it's going to start at 8:30. Save. You can also just click it here. That's for editing. You can get rid of it. And then you have other options. You could copy it over to your other calendar if it's for multiple things. So pretty easy to use that. Up here, you can change if you're going to go by day. Maybe you have a busy day and you want to break it down hour by hour, or if you're going to plan a unit that's going to take a while, maybe you want to see the whole year. Okay, we're going to start the 19th, but we're going all the way over to April 25th and set that up. So very easy to use. Apple Mail, this is what I use at school. It's connected with my email, so anytime I get a invite to a meeting, it goes automatically into here. It's really easy to add events. They have a cool little deal. You just hit the plus sign and maybe you're testing at 8 on March 20th. Right there it goes to March 20th. It's pretty cool. Very easy to use. If for some reason that changes to March 21st, you can just click and drag it. Keeps all your information there. If you want to edit it, you can go in here, double click, and it gives you options to edit it there. You can say maybe it starts at 7. Be pretty early on testing. Good luck on that, kids. So both of these calendars are user-friendly, easy to use. I prefer Apple Calendar just because that's what I've always used. I don't use a calendar outside of school, so I'm not very picky. But hopefully you have learned a little something, and that's all I got.